How to use Pinterest watch feature. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you have to go back and you have to go on your app mobile and open your Pinterest app. As you open your Pinterest app, then over here you will see all kind of stuff. Now Pinterest was actually using only their pictures, or only you can upload all the pictures over here, but now the Pinterest had also uploaded the new feature, that is Pinterest watch, and through this you can watch the videos that are uploaded on Pinterest. Now let's say this is a person that I am watching a video of, and this is just a random person I am watching a video of. So I have to go back, and over in my feed I will be able to use the videos also plus the photos. So I can use Pinterest watch feature by just going into the Pinterest and watching whatever I want. This is how I can watch Pinterest videos by using Pinterest watch feature. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.